going on, guys? Diego here, Florida Keys. Just got here to Long Key Bridge, and we're pretty much about ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and throw the chum out there. We're gonna see what happens. We got a couple shrimp lures ready to go. We got some live bait. We got live crabs, live shrimp. Ready to drop some chum right now. Baby mangrove snapper, first one of the day. A little too small to keep, I believe. This guy's swallowing his own thing, man. Group. Oh. Baby runt. Ronquito. Baby yellow going back in the water. Let's see what we got here. We got a mangrove, pretty decent size, or what? I don't know a way to find out. These boys gotta be 10. Got it quite up in there. Hooks in there. Finally got my hook up out of there. There's a keeper. Emily's got something there. Let's go, Emily. Fast, fast. Another mangrove. All right, there's a good sized mangrove actually. A decent sized mangrove right here. Let's see what we got over here. All right. Faster, faster. There's a nice sized yellowtail there. Let's see what we got over here. Ooh, this is a keeper, girl. This is a keeper. Yeah, girl, you're on fire. One time for Emily today. She's caught about 3-4 good fishes today. Let's see. Let's put the size on this guy. Oh, good yellowtail right here. All right, Emily. Let's go, Emily. What is it, a yellowtail or a snapper? Faster, faster, faster. Oh, yellowtail it is. Wow. Slaying the yellowtails today. Well, guys, that's about a wrap for today. We've been here a couple hours. We had a little bit of action in the beginning and then it died out. I didn't even get to throw the second chum bag because the first one still was out there. It lasted a pretty long time. We got about a good 5 or 6 keepers. I'll post a picture once I get to the house. Long Key Bridge here, Key Largo, man. It's been a good day. I'll post a video later, guys. It was a good day at Key Largo, and we're on the way back now to Miami. You know, my wife actually caught most of the fish. Congrats to her. We're ready to go home now, make a little ceviche, cook some of this fish. Catch and cook is the way to do it. And thanks, man. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll let you guys know how the fish tastes, all right?